And we know that 1 is going to cost $15, so it's going to look like this. And 2 is going to cost $30. But then we know that the price immediately jumps $10 because of that added price boost. So it stops over here and regains control over here. And now, in like 2.01, then the price is raised to $20, $30, or $40 and stuff. So now it's gonna look the same way, but with the price raised. So 3 would be 3 times 15, so that would be equal to 45. But then you have to add the price boost. So it would look kind of like this. And you can see it going on. So this is how we can illustrate it using a graph.